A medical office administrator will normally go ahead and schedule patients. They maintain patient records. They make sure that all the charts and billing are up to date. They will be working with billing and insurance claims, working closely with the doctor to make sure that billing and coding is taken care of. You can be somebody that can go out and help a handful of people and make their lives better by knowing how to take care of what their needs are. I love their hands-on learning. I love that it's very visual. I think that being able to come in and, like I said, role play and get into it with your other fellow students is a huge thing. What the MOA students are going to learn, they are going to learn how to work in an office setting, front and back office. They're going to learn how to do ICD-10 coding and medical administration, medical terminology. They'll learn how to run the office if that's what they choose to want to do in the future. Revenue cycle. There is a lot of that needs to be done. Learning how to code for patients when the doctor comes out is really important that that people stay on track for that as well. We'll be doing a lot of role playing in the classroom, and so that way they can learn how to work with their patient, learn how to work with the doctors. It helps that when the doctor hires you, that he feels comfortable with the fact that you are going to be handling all of his bills that are going out and making sure that everything is processed in a timely manner. There is potential that you can be somebody that can go out and help a handful of people and make their lives better by knowing how to take care of what their needs are. The healthcare system definitely needs more people out there to help fight for you. I feel that this school has a lot of potential and that you should definitely come and see what Carrington College has to offer.